Right, as you can see, the locomotive is in steam for the very first time. Boiler and engine, I've had it in steam. Not too sure about the gas burner yet. I might convert to mess yet, but I don't know, but I'm quite happy with how it's working all now. Everything's done apart from the exhaust pipe, which is not quite done, but steam's coming out for the blower. I don't know how many pounds we got, very little pressure, but it still goes. I'd say we've got a couple of pounds, but here we go. Very first time on steam. As you can see, I'm pretty happy with it for a first shot, but be more to come.